Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fatullah Muhammad Fatullah Al Gamoudi. I am from Group 2. My matric number GA240039. So today I am going to present our project, which is calculation for energy consumption in subject Advanced Engineering Mathematics, MEE10103. So the problem statement, which is solar energy system, are important for providing clean and sustainable energy. By managing them effectively can be challenging. So one major problem is predicting energy consumption, which depends on factors like solar energy generated and system efficiency. So these factors are connected in complex way. So changes in one factor don't always lead to predictable changes in energy use, which means that when one factor like solar energy generated or better efficiency, so the changes it does not always cause or clear or expected a change in energy use. So to solve this problem can use advanced math like artificial neural network in or machine learning or practical swarm optimization. These all can help. So for EAN can learn the blocks can learn the complex pattern between factors to make better prediction. For machine learning, it can find important trends and features, and PSO also can adjust system setting to improve performance. So by using these tools, it makes it possible to reduce energy waste and store and energy more effectively. So here by going to the machine learning uh, multivariate. So as you can see here, this is the data that we use in our project. So here for as you can see in the independent x variable, which solar energy generated and system efficiency and also energy export to the grid and energy stored and battery efficiency. For y dependent variable, which is energy consumption. Okay, as you can see here for multiple linear regression in A. So as you can see here in AB, which to 7.8220. Okay, as you can see, this is the graph for MME. So the real Y and predicted Y here in red color and the MLR Y in the orange color. And also for decision tree regression, as you can see in ABR 391099. This is the graph for yellow, red, and orange in R and DT, Y, the green. Okay, and the third one, which is rough random forest regression in AB 27.645. This is also the graph, as you can see here, read the color rail and rough, which is in green color. And the last one, which is neighbor regression, MAB 29.718. This is the graph for ANEY, real in the blue color and MLR, Y in the orange, and this is KNN for the green color. Okay, and for SVM in MAB, which 27.934. And the last thing for BSO, as you can see here, BSO, which final MSE on a test, which 6.958, and final MAB on test, which 28 1.915. So here for AN Same the data that we use. This is after tune and get optimized in the data for ANN. As you can see here, 28.4 NNA, 28.120. This is the graph training loss and validation loss in yellow and orange, and also here for the DT and graph and for the, as you can see here, for the DT, we got MAB 0.346 after tune, and the last thing, which is rough, which is 0.2422, and the last thing, which is 5.3736 for the neighbor regression. That's all of my part, and thank you.